Hello everybody, welcome to day 3 of our RARP this week. This week we have been reading the book Ron Rabbit's Big Day. Today I'm going to quickly just talk you through your task today. So, in the book, the bad man stole 5 things from the Preston's house: a clock, a pink jug, a green lamp, a big cup, and a cash box. So these are things that the bad man stole from the Preston's house. It's a list of 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your day 3 task. Your task today is to imagine 5 more things that the bad man stole. You can draw this on a piece of paper. You can use the computer to get a picture of a sack. There's lots of different ways you can do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put 5 new different items into the sack. You then must use a colour to describe each item. For example, there is a red pen or a blue book. So I want an adjective, a colour adjective before our noun, okay? Then you're going to draw arrows and label them. So I will show you an example so you can see what it looked like. So here's Miss Megan's. So in the sack, the bad man stole a red pen, and I've drawn an arrow to the red pen, a blue book, a purple teddy, a green sock, and a gold plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items, and I've described them all with a colour, my colour adjective, okay? So this is what your work is going to look like. There's lots of different ways you can do your task today. You could use your computer like I have and take the pictures from the internet, or you can do that on your iPad. Or if you want to, you can do it on paper. You can use pencils and crayons and do some fantastic drawing. I know a few of you really like drawing. If you want to, you can do it with paint, or you could cut and stick from magazines. You could also use things that you have in your house. If you have a big black sack or perhaps a big black bin liner maybe, you could get things from your house and then on some paper, describe them. Remember, I want a colour adjective and the noun. Red pen, blue book. You could label them on a piece of paper and then take a photo of what you've made in your house. So there's lots of different ways you can do it today, okay? Once you have done it, make sure you've got 5 items. Upload your picture to Class Dojo or Google Classroom if you're in Key Stage 2. I know a few of you are with Miss Lorna, so send your picture to Miss Lorna, okay? And I can still have a look because I'm on Google Classroom. So have fun, upload your picture, and have a lovely day.